What's going on, YouTube? Landon up near back with another video. It is the day after opening night at Hickory Motor Speedway 2023. We had a damn rough night. We got banged up in the first one in our High Rock Vodka Chevy. Just kind of nowhere to go, no place to go. They started wrecking in front of us, and unfortunately, the 75 got rough into the stick, but my guys worked hard, got us back out on the racetrack, finished the race, and then ultimately ran the second race and actually was relatively competitive for everything to be bent in the second one, and ended up finishing in the top 10. But today, we're assessing the damage, and we're going to try to go ahead and start working on this thing, getting it ready for next weekend, because we've got to be back at the racetrack this coming Saturday for Twin 40s week 2 at Hickory. So rough night, but we're staying positive. A lot of off-season work went into this thing, and she's beat up and banged up and battered and bruised. But we're gonna put in the work, and I'm gonna take you guys with us, show you kind of what all went down, and where we can work on it moving forward this week. All right, here's the aftermath of opening night. Typical opening night. So we really got lucky it wasn't any worse than it was, but the rear end is bent. All of our fuel cell bar, support bar stuff's pushed in. That's got to be fixed. Rocker panels, cosmetic stuff, crush panels, all that needs to be fixed. The truck arm mount under here was basically ripped out of it during the wreck, so that's got to be fixed. We got to get this rear end out and send it back to Buzzy, even though we just got it back on Wednesday to get straightened. So once we get it up on stands, we'll be able to figure out what else is done. Rear end's out of it. You can't tell by the naked eye that it's bent, but it is bent. You can tell a little bit, I guess. Y'all probably aren't gonna be able to see here, but drop that out, got the gear out of it. So this has got to go back to Buzzy Performance or Buzzy Racing tomorrow morning, and Tom will have to get it straightened for us and hopefully get it back in time for this Saturday, because we got Twin 40s again at Hickory. We do have this rear end that's in Francis that we could use if we had to, but ideally we get this thing back.
I doubt you're gonna be able to use them skirts, right?
Probably not, but I'll at least see what they look like. So we actually think the rear clip is bent down on that right rear. It bent that track bar mount and then bent the track bar mount that was on the rear end. So yeah, typical opener. So I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and get this fuel cell out. We're gonna have to drop it down anyways. The can is bent as far as I can tell. So if I get that out from under it, I should be able to pour the power back this like support bar on the bottom of the rear clip, push it back out, and then we'll see, I guess, how bent down the rear is and if we can pour the power it back up. But yeah, I'm gonna get all this stuff unhooked on the fuel cell so I can drop it out of it. Okay, there's that. Sucks, man. You do all this freaking work. Everything looks super nice. Get ready for opening night just for it to get tore all to shit. Same thing happened to us last year. If you've been following us, actually, if you've been following this channel for a whole year, let me know in the comments. Or let me know in the comments how long you've been subscribed to me. At what point last year during the race season did you start watching? Or at what point during this year during the race season did you start watching? Or if this is the first ever video you've ever found, let me know in the comments. I want to know. All right, fuel cell's out. You can see how the can's a little beat up. And then this will give you an idea of how this bar's bent here. You can see this bar actually has come from up top. You can see how that bar right there is supposed to be out and straight and even like it is over there. But it bent it all the way underneath. So we got a package in yesterday from Joe's Racing Products. I think it's some GoPro stuff. but I don't know what else they've sent. So I'm excited to try out. They've got some new products on their website for anybody that's wanting to run an onboard camera in your late model, quarter midget, dirt car, whatever you're racing. This stuff will work. But I think it's fairly new, so we're gonna see what all they sent. Looks like I got a hoodie and some hats. Richardson 112s, can't go wrong with that. Seth and RJ will enjoy those, and I'll keep one for myself. Also got a Joe's t-shirt. And then here's the goods. So we got a universal mount assembly here with a hose clamp, 2 of those. So this will actually go on any roll bar, which is nice because the standard GoPro mount for a roll bar, you have to buy the mount based off of what size roll bar you have in your vehicle. But with this coming with a hose clamp, you can pretty much put it on any size roll bar, and it is metal and not plastic, so that's nice. I got 2 of those. We'll try those out. Actually gives me a little more flexibility on where I mount it in the car. So maybe we can put 2 GoPros in here, one facing me and then the other one facing out. And then I got some stickers from them as well. So we'll give that a shot, and I'll let you guys know what I think. So thank you to Joe's Racing Products for the care package.
I wonder if I could set that other porta power in that corner and go over to there just to get it to put a brace on it.
Yeah,
Or if
that's
it
what
try
I was
to-
just thinking. If
Or
you
if
was
it
on
try to push it forwards.
right against this over there on that side, pushing down to like the edge of this.
So is this group that bad?
So this rocker is not that bad, actually. I did piece it together in hopes that if we did tear something up, I would be able to straighten one side out without having to take both of it out, but it did get a little bit of both sides. So I think in order to straighten it, I'm gonna have to take both of these rockers out. I actually think both crush panels on this side are gonna be okay, but I know I'm gonna have to make one for that right side. I'm going to try to straighten these doors out, but if for whatever reason I cannot, I believe High Rock is interested in taking these and using them for the 88 crew giveaway, which if you haven't joined the 88 crew, I'm going to drop a link in the description. Check it out. Free content. There's giving away a High Rock vodka signed Dale Jr. hood and a bunch of other stuff on there. A bunch of exclusive content from myself, Dale, and others that are involved with the High Rock vodka brand. So check that out. If I end up giving this to them, they might be giving it away. So follow the link in the description. I'll also put it in the comments to join the 88 crew for free. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I just want to give you guys an update on the damage following opening night. I'm going to go up here and watch the cup race. It's about 70 laps in. I've been down here for probably a good 6 hours or so today. So I'm exhausted. I got to edit yesterday's race day vlog, try to get that out to you guys, and then keep moving this year forward, man. I'm excited. It's a tough opening night, but we're resilient, and I know we'll be back better than ever, just like we always are. So thank you guys so much for supporting. Thank you to all of our partners who make this possible here at Huffman Racing, and especially to you guys for watching all these videos and helping me do what I do. So I will see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.